Good morning, class family. It's a terrific Tuesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team. And a class family. Follow with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. April 30th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Tuesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letter sounds. Next, we will go on Lexia, do literacy centers and PALs. Then, we will learn new vocabulary to understand a book. Last, we will write sounds that we hear. It is a great day, love Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Okay, class family, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. I noticed the spelling for this month with the capital letter A, then P-R-I-L. What does that say? You're right. It does say April. If you knew that, great job. Notice the capital letter A to start that month. Good writers start each month of the year with a capital letter because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, let's reread from top to bottom and left to right. April 30th, 2024. Dear class family, after our greeting, look at the first telling sentence. I noticed a bigger finger space to indent or jumpstart that paragraph. Good writers indent each paragraph with a bigger finger space. I also see a capital letter T that starts that sentence and a period at the end. Good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. We will be noticing so many sentences within our message, and look carefully and notice at the beginning of every sentence how it starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. Okay, readers, let's go ahead and continue to reread. Today is Tuesday. It is Tuesday, and it's a terrific Tuesday. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every day, working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're focusing on being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. That's what good communicators do. Okay, class family, we're going to talk about the order of what we're doing, the sequence in language arts. First, next, then, and last. I see this transitional word here. Say it with me. First. First, we will learn letter sounds just like we do every day at school in kindergarten. We're going to use so many resources, and it's crunch time. Class family, only 29 more school days. Let's pump our brains with knowledge and get ready for first grade. We'll use our electronic version of the word wall with the foundations cards. We'll review letter sounds, pictures match that word, and American Sign Language. We'll also be reading through all of the kindergarten high frequency words you need to know, read, and spell. And depending on what class you're learning in, high frequency words can be called other things like sight words, fast words, and if you're using UFly, then heart words. We're also going to be reading through the first grade words and using our sound wall as a resource, learning how to shape our mouths for the letters and sounds. And you know it, we are using UFly, and we're going to practice phonemic awareness, tapping that beginning, middle, and ending sound and saying that whole word. It's going to be fantastic. We're also going to do the CVC word song, breaking down that word for the beginning, middle, and end, and clapping that whole word. We're going to do version 2 for the CVC word song. Okay, I see this sentence starts with a capital letter N. Say this word, next. Next, we will go on Lexia, do literacy centers and PALs. Okay, so Everyone's going to log on to Lexia Core 5 reading program. You're going to log on to your iPads, and some other students are going to be called to another group by a teacher. And when you're done with Lexia, you'll be doing some other literacy centers within the classroom. And remember, class family, we are doing PALS, Phonological Awareness Literacy Screening. Remember, that is the phonics section of VKRP, the standardized test we have to take in Virginia for kindergartners. So I'll be calling you over to the table to meet one at a time with you. So listen carefully for when your name is called and to stop what you're doing and go to the teacher who's calling your name. Okay, look at this word. Then we will write, then we will learn new vocabulary to understand a book. We will, and that's what good readers do. They're always learning new vocabulary. So we're going to look at some specific words. We're going to use that vocabulary, find the words within the book, and practice using the words in class as well. And that's going to help us to become better readers as we understand the book more with these juicy vocabulary words. Ready? Last we'll write sounds that we hear. We will, during writing workshop, we're going to write sounds that we hear. Remember, when you're writing, to make your writing easy to read. Remember, when you're writing a story or informational book, pictures and words can tell who, where, and what. Remember to start with a capital letter. Remember, sentences tell a complete idea. You're going to write a letter for each sound, so say what you're trying to write and listen carefully and write those letters down. Leave a finger space between the words so the words don't smush together. And remember, a punctuation mark at the end. And we'll be practicing sentences with a period at the end since they're telling sentences and statements. It is a great day, Love Miss Joyner. It is. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Okay, so our question for today in our T-chart is a would you rather question, okay? Would you rather learn how to dance or learn how to paint? Why? Think about your answer and get ready to be a great communicator. Would you rather learn how to dance or learn how to paint? Why?